this question we are given an inequality. The left hand side says 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 32 divided by 2 to the power x plus 4 into 2 to the power x minus 6 is less than or equal to 2 divided by 2 to the power x minus 2 plus 1. And we are required to calculate the sum of all the natural number values of x which satisfy the given inequality. If you are looking at the inequality, the first thing you should notice is that all the terms seem to be a power of 2. So let us assume that 2 to the power x is equal to t. Then the given inequality will become equal to 4 to the power x will become equal to t square. So this is t square minus what is 2 to the power x plus 1, that is 2 into 2 to the power x. So this is minus 2t minus 32, and the denominator is 2 to the power x plus 4, that is t plus 4, into 2 to the power x minus 6, that is t minus 6, will be less than or equal to 2 divided by 2 to the power x minus 2 will be equal to 2 to the power x divided by 2 square. This is equal to t by 4 plus 1. Or the left hand side can be simplified to equal 8 divided by t plus 4. Now t is 2 to the power x. So t is always greater than or equal to 0. In fact, it is always greater than 0. So t plus 4 will also be a positive number. So you can cancel t plus 4 in the denominator and it won't change the sign of the inequality because we are cancelling a positive number. So the given inequality will become equal to t square minus 2t minus 32 divided by t minus 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 0. You can take a common denominator of t minus 6. So this is equal to t square minus 2t minus 32 minus 8t plus 48 divided by t minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Or this is t square minus 10t plus 16 divided by t minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. So this would imply that t minus 2 into t minus 6 into t minus 8 has to be less than or equal to 0. What is the interval for t for which this is satisfied? You should look at the roots of the cubic equation. You have 2, you have 6 and you have 8. If t is less than 2, then all the three terms will be negative, so the entire product will be negative. If t lies between 2 and 6, then t minus 2 will be positive, but the remaining two terms, that is t minus 6 and t minus 8, will be negative. So the product will be two negative terms and one positive term. So the overall product will be positive. If t lies between 6 and 8, then one of the terms will be negative, which is t minus 8, and the remaining two terms will be positive. So the overall product will be again negative. And if t is greater than 8, all the three terms of the product will be positive, so the overall product will be positive. When you want the product of these three terms to be less than or equal to 0, t has to be either less than or equal to 2 or t has to lie between 6 and 8. Note that t cannot equal 6 because the denominator is t minus 6 in one of the inequalities. So for the inequality to be defined, t cannot equal 6. So t has to be either less than 2 or t has to lie between 6 and 8. T can be equal to 8. T minus 8 is not there in the denominator. Now, so 2 to the power x has to belong to 0 to 2 or 6 to 8. What are the values of x where x is a natural number for which this interval is satisfied? It will be if x is equal to 1 when 2 to the power x is equal to 2, or when x is equal to 3 when 2 to the power x is equal to 8. So the sum will be 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4.